Okay, the last part I want to check, and that one I'm going to be hard. There is no such thing, as far as I know, in the Agile method that I heard about that is called technical stories. Yes, you can see that a lot online. This is crap. Either it's a story of a user, which is a concept coming from the user design thinking. We want to tell the story of how a user is going to use a product, or it's a task. I can give a couple of nuances about system stories later, which are different. But I could say, if for anything, I see the notion when you write, as a developer, I can do this. Yes, it's a story, it works. I still think it's too confusing. And what I see when teams start to use that notion, at some point, the business value of what we have in the backlog is very not clear. And the tech are driving the project. And suddenly it just becomes a list of technical stuff to do with unclear value and outcome. And I'm sorry, that's not why we did Agile. We're here to chase value early on, if you see what I mean. So technical story, I'm going to try to I will nag you every time you say it, because if I see somebody pretending to know Agile and I have to make them pass an exam and they talk about technical story, they don't pass the exam for me. That we don't have this concept. We have tasks, which are the means to an end, and we have the user story, which is the end goal of your feature.